Iona Stephen, a professional golfer playing on the Ladies European Access Tour, the Ladies European Tour, and more recently the Ladies Spanish Santander Tour. I turned professional in March of this year, and prior to that I'd been playing golf as an amateur for just over 3 years. So it's been a fast transition to the professional level and a really fun one at the same time. I worked very hard on my handicap. My first handicap was 19, and within 18 months I had it down to 4 and was luckily selected to represent my county in Scotland, Renfrewshire, and I had my first taste of, a sort of competitive level of amateur golf. Prior to playing golf, I played hockey. It was really my main sport, but I also played lacrosse, competed at athletics, and squash at junior international level. So I guess you could say I loved sport growing up. I tried pretty much every sport going, but it wasn't until later that I got a chance to try golf.